This is Elisa, and this is Elisa Does Life in Vegas. Tonight, I am going to the Las Vegas Aces game down at Mandalay Bay, Michelob Ultra Arena. That is our home, and that's where we play. It is going to be so fun, and I'm going to take you along so you can see what it's like, what the crowd looks like, what the stadium looks like, and ultimately, what the Premier Lounge looks like, where they serve us some yummy food and drinks before the game. And then we're going to sit 6 rows from courtside, right at the free throw line, so that you can watch a little bit of what our Aces ladies can do. And that is the best part about being in Las Vegas. I'm going to pick up a neighbor and take her with me. It's her first time, so I'm so excited to go and support the team. If you guys are ready, let's head out to Mandalay Bay. All right, I'm packed and loaded, and I'm going to grab my neighbor so we can go to Mandalay Bay to see the game. Mandalay Bay charges $20 for self-parking on weekdays, Monday through Thursday, and $25 for self-parking on weekends. Valet parking is $40 to $50 depending on the event and the day of the week. Because I am a season ticket holder for the game, my parking is included with my ticket price. A couple of things to keep in mind if you are going to be coming to Las Vegas to Michelob Ultra Arena at Mandalay Bay. They do not allow outside food. They will allow you to convert your drink, if you do have one, into one of these small plastic cups here that you see on the table. If you need a ticket, you can grab a single game ticket for an average cost of around $30, depending on where you're seated in the arena. Prices can vary and go up substantially from there. You will have to go through security. Do not bring any large backpacks. Your bag needs to be 12 by 12 by 6. Security will have you place all of your items into a plastic container such as this. Also note that if you do have a water bottle, they will make you remove the cap and discard it into the trash can. You will then go through a quick security screening, and you'll be ready to give your tickets to the ticket agent standing here at the door. Once you get through this process, you'll be ready to enjoy the game here at Michelob Ultra Arena. Now, if you don't have any fun gear to wear at the game, you can always stop over here and pick up some merch. You can grab a jersey, a hat, you can grab some water, some snacks, and proceed on to the arena. But we're going to stop over here first and take a picture, and then I'm going to take my neighbor into the Premier Lounge. If you're enjoying this video, please click like or subscribe. Thank you. In order to get into this section of Michelob Ultra Arena to the Premier Club, you have to be a season ticket holder sitting in a certain section of the arena. We'll go down a private elevator to reach the Premier Club. Going to the Premier Club. Yay! Yay! Bye! Once you exit the elevators, you are going to be greeted again with more security to check your hand stamp. As you enter the Premier Club, you're going to go down a long hallway, and there's going to be lots of food offerings here at this table. Okay, so let's talk about this food. Now, this is not food that I would typically eat every single day, but we are at a basketball game, so we're going to go ahead and just enjoy the selections that are here. Now, what they do at the Michelob Ultra Arena for the Premier Lounge is they do change out the food every time there is a basketball game, so you get different selections. But this is definitely game food, such as hot dogs, onion rings. They have some chicken fingers. On the opposite table, you can make some nachos. And there are a few healthy choices here. There's some veggies and pita chips and hummus. So it's really up to you what you want. You have a dessert table with some fresh cookies and brownies. And if you're on the healthier side, you can get some watermelon slices. And they always have popcorn. I do grab 2 tubs of popcorn every time I come to the game. That's really, really good. And I kind of refrain from having too many cookies. But if you want to have a drink, they are complimentary, which is better than buying a drink upstairs, which is going to cost you an arm and a leg. So you can get your choice of Pepsi products as well as some water. If you want some alcoholic beverages, they do have a private bartender down here, and you can purchase your cocktails from $17 and up. So let's go over what my neighbor got. She got a hot dog, some onion rings, and some zucchini. I got some chicken fingers and some veggies and a little bit of pita and hummus. The chicken fingers are really good tonight, and you know, it fills up your belly before the game. You don't have to buy food upstairs. So that is the beauty of the Premier Lounge. So grab some extra waters or sodas to take upstairs with you and have when you sit in your seat. So we're going to walk down this long hallway, go back through the private elevator where we meet some friends. Hey, ladies. We're so excited and we arrive up to the main floor and it is exciting. There are people everywhere, people wearing their Aces jerseys ready to see the game. If you want to get yourself a hamburger, a hot dog, some roasted nuts, popcorn, anything you want, your beer, your alcoholic beverages, this is the floor where you get all the goodies to enjoy the game. There's a guy selling alcoholic slushies. There's a guy selling lemonade and cotton candy. We have eaten downstairs and we are ready to go. As you enter Michelob Ultra Arena, the energy is electrifying. I'm greeted to my seat and the Jumbotron shows Asia Wilson, Chelsea Gray, Jackie Young, our Las Vegas two-time WNBA champions, the Aces. If you're visiting Las Vegas during the WNBA season, you will not want to miss a game. One thing the Las Vegas Aces knows how to do is to entertain a crowd. You'll feel the excitement as soon as the team hits the floor. We have tip-off and boom, Asia Wilson gets the ball. We make our first home team shot and the crowd goes wild. We have the Wildcard dance team to entertain you, as well as our 50 and older dance crew, the High Rollers.
Okay, we're down to the fourth quarter and we're trying to win this game. We're down, but we're gonna pull through. Here we go, here we go. And we had an amazing time. The game was so fun. We're so excited and we're heading out now. So until next time, thank you for joining us and watching the Las Vegas Aces basketball game. I'm Elisa, and please like and subscribe this channel.